Today we are going to decorate for free this whole house, but I will be only today decorating the bathroom. Alright, now let's get started. So first of all, I am only allowed to use free stuff, and it's a bit hard for me since I have a lot of packs and I want to use them. Just kidding, but I want to give you some ideas in my mind that I have. Okay, my singing is terrible. Now first of all, get 5 medium shelves. Alright, we're done. Now you are going to stack them. Alright, let me just remove one of the curtain. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and then left. Now you are going to trust the process, guys. Alright, and at the end I will be decorating this with some of the decorations and you will see the result. Alright, let me just grab the sink. I have it, and now we are going to grab this and we can put some more stuff later on it. Let me just do this. Perfect position. Yeah, that's a bit odd. Why can't I do this? Alright, I think so this is good enough. Now we are going to fix the curtain later and put this picture right over here. Now we are going to put 2 of the mirrors, and you will be asking, why aren't you using the other free one as it is long? I just like this hack. It looks a bit, this mirror looks a bit better. Alright, look, this looks fantastic. Now let's put the shower. Okay, we don't have much space for the toilet, alright? But I have other plans for it. Now we are going to, let me just fix the light, and we're almost done. Now we are going to grab 2 of these and put them at the side. Dun, 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 dun. Now the curtain is fixed. Now we are going to add the shower and the toilet right over here. Just kidding. Now put the shower and rotate it. Now we don't have much space, and the toilet will look a bit weird at the center, so I'm going to put this right over here. Now let's just put the carpets and blue carpet and the white carpet. This looks fantastic. Now let me just decorate it and show it to you guys. Now I'm going to add this table too, as I thought it looked a bit empty. And now we're going to put the shampoo and the hair shampoo and the body, whatever, and the toilet papers, of course. How can we survive without toilet papers? Now we are going to add this box, alright, and put these 3 plants in it. Ta-da! You have a new plant unlocked. Now we are going to put this and this, and then put this right over there. Then we are going to decorate. Oh, it looks super cute and so elegant. Now, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And next, I'm going to decorate the bedroom.